Vice Chancellor GCWU University Faisalabad. I'm here to introduce a very golden opportunity to join hands with Aqua Idea Workshop, which is going to be held at University of Education, and it's a joint venture between All Tech Pakistan Private Limited and University of Education Lahore. I congratulate Professor Dr. Talat Nasir Pasha, who has taken the initiative to launch this activity. This is in fact the activity to find the ways how aquaculture can be groomed in Pakistan. In this workshop, the farmers, universities, government officials and industries are coming together at one platform and trying to introduce eco-friendly methods with the help of that methods we can groom that industry. In fact, there would be, in this workshop, there would be 4 or 5 working groups who would be discussing on genetic biotechnology, feeding, aquaculture management, processing and HR management. So with the help of these workshops, they will dig out the methods which are safe for Pakistan and how we can import good genes, seeds which can give more food and healthy food and good nutrition to our people. And with the help of this kind of technology, aquaculture industry will be flourished in Pakistan in future, and it would be a golden opportunity to find ways to improve that industry. This workshop will bridge the gap between university and industry and the farmers. So these 3 groups will work together, and I'm joining in this workshop as a panelist, and it would be my pleasure to be the part of this panelist. Thank you very much.